Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of wall shelves, a versatile and stylish solution to maximize your space and enhance your home's decor. Wall shelves are not just practical, they can be a focal point of your room's design. Let's explore various design ideas that can transform your walls into stunning displays of both function and art. First, consider floating shelves. These sleek and modern shelves appear to float on the wall without visible brackets, creating a minimalistic look that's perfect for contemporary spaces. You can install them in a linear arrangement for a clean and streamlined effect, or stagger them in varying heights for a more dynamic appearance. Floating shelves are ideal for showcasing books, small decorative items, or even plants, bringing an airy, uncluttered feel to your room. Next, let's talk about industrial style shelves. Characterized by their raw, rugged charm, industrial shelves often use materials like metal pipes and reclaimed wood. These shelves are perfect for adding a touch of urban sophistication to your space. Pair them with exposed brick walls or concrete floors for a cohesive industrial look. These styles not only offer a unique aesthetic but also provides robust functionality for storing heavier items or displaying larger decorative pieces. For those who love a touch of vintage charm, consider using reclaimed wood shelves. These shelves bring warmth and character to any room, with each piece telling its own story. You can find reclaimed wood in various shelves, from rustic and weathered to polished and sleek. Consider these with antique brackets or metal hardware to enhance their vintage appeal. These shelves are great for creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere in living rooms or bedrooms. If you're looking for something more personalized, custom built shelves might be the way to go. Custom shelves can be designed to fit any wall size and shape, and they allow you to choose materials and finishes that match your specific tastes. Whether you want a built-in look with cabinetry or intricate models or simple floating units, custom shelves can be tailored to your needs. This approach not only ensures a perfect fit, but also allows you to create a unique design that reflects your personal style. For a more artistic approach, consider creating a gallery wall with shelves. By mixing and matching various shelf styles and sizes, you can create an eclectic display that both functionally and visually interesting. Incorporate frames, artwork, and small sculptures to add personality and color to your space. This method works particularly well in areas like home offices or entryways, where you want to make a bold statement. Lastly, don't overlook the practical benefits of corner shelves. These shelves make use of often overlooked spaces, turning corners into functional storage areas. They're perfect for small rooms where maximizing each inch is crucial. Corner shelves can be installed in a variety of styles, from sleek modern designs to more decorative options, and they're a great way to display smaller items or plants. In summary, wall shelves offer endless design possibilities to enhance your living space. Whether you prefer the modern elegance of floating shelves, the rugged appeal of industrial styles, the warmth of reclaimed wood, the personalization of custom builds, the artistic flair of gallery arrangement, or the practicality of corner units, there's a wall shelf designed to suit every taste and need. We hope these ideas inspire you to transform your walls into beautiful functional spaces. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and home improvement inspirations. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.